Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0783S in color code 001. It's a black gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold Gucci emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple with a gold Gucci emblem. The lenses are a yellow color and it has a Gucci writing engraved in the top right lens. The style of this frame is fashion square. Up here we have a Gucci case, a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.